In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Skype group. Whether you're simplifying your digital life or just cleaning up old chats, removing a Skype group chat that you no longer need can provide a sense of order and clarity. Let's dive right in and go through this process step by step so you can confidently manage your Skype conversations. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Skype website. Once there, if you're not already logged in, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on this to proceed. It might prompt you to sign in with your Skype account credentials, so go ahead and enter those details to access your account. The interface is user-friendly, designed to get you where you need to be without any hassle. After you've logged in successfully, your next step is to locate the chat section. This is where all your conversations are listed, including both individual chats and group chats. Finding the chat section is straightforward. It should be visible as soon as you log in. If you're having trouble, remember that the Skype interface is designed to be intuitive, so a quick look around should get you on the right track. Now to the part where we take action finding and removing the group chat. Navigate through your list of chats and locate the group chat you wish to delete. Once you find it, you're going to right click on the group chat's name. This will bring up a context menu with several options. The option we're interested in for our purpose today is leave. Clicking leave will prompt you for a confirmation that you indeed want to exit and delete the group chat. Confirm your choice and Skype will remove you from the group, effectively deleting the group chat from your list of active conversations. It's important to note that deleting a group chat from your end will remove your access and visibility to that chat. However, the chat itself may continue to exist for other members unless you are the only member left or you have administrative rights to dissolve the group entirely. This distinction is crucial for privacy and group management considerations. Throughout this process, remember to take your time to ensure you're exiting the right group chat. It's easy to click the wrong option in haste. Also, consider that once removed, retrieving chat history or rejoining might not be straightforward without an invitation back from existing members, and that's how simple it is to delete a Skype group chat. By following these steps, you can manage your digital space more effectively, keeping only the conversations that matter most to you. Whether you're decluttering, leaving groups that no longer serve a purpose, or simply prefer a minimalist approach to your digital communications, this process gives you the control you need right at your fingertips. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Managing your online presence and keeping your digital spaces organized contributes significantly to a clearer mind and a more focused approach to both work and personal life. See you in the next video.